Hi there, everyone. Thanks so much for joining us tonight. We've got a Minnesotan that's now died from a respiratory illness, all linked to vaping.
It is the fifth death of its kind across the U.S. Fox 9's Alex Lainert is live outside the Minnesota Department of Health. And Alex, the officials are focusing in on an illicit product that contains THC.
Yeah, the problem is they don't really know exactly what they're looking for, but we're told that of the cases here in Minnesota of people that have been hospitalized have been because they have vaped some sort of illicit THC. And again, this case, no exception, but beyond that, they don't know much else. Now, according to the Minnesota Department of Health, the latest case, a patient over the age of 65 who passed away in August after a, quote, long and complicated hospitalization. According to the Minnesota Department of Health, this patient had a history of lung problems but passed away because of a severe lung injury. After they passed away, investigators were able to determine that the patient sustained that lung injury because they smoked some illicit THC. Now, there have so far in Minnesota been 17 confirmed cases of hospitalizations linked to vaping illicit THC. Investigators are still looking into 15 other cases. The problem here for both the people in the medical field as well as investigators is that they don't exactly know what they should be looking for when these patients come in, because a lot of these illnesses have similarities to other respiratory problems.
It's a little challenging because oftentimes you want to have a test, and if the person's positive for that test, you can say they have it. And that's not the case here. We're going with the syndrome because we don't know exactly what the trigger is that is causing these severe lung illnesses.
And Governor Walz releasing a statement today saying our sympathies go out to the family of the person who died. This tragedy and the serious injuries suffered by others show the stakes of this outbreak. Health officials are working hard to determine a cause and share information to prevent additional injuries. As that work continues, I urge Minnesotans to follow their guidance. And again, difficult for a lot in the medical field and investigators when they look into these cases because they don't know what exactly is causing a lot of these injuries. We do now know that there have been 450 possible or confirmed hospitalizations in 33 different states linked to vaping of cannabinoids such as THC. And again, definitely a warning for people out there to not vape illicit THC. We're live in St. Paul. Alex Lainert, back to you.